Today I'm going to be showing you how to easily set up a letter fold on the 714 XLT tabletop folder using a standard 8.5 by 11 copy paper. First, we'll reference the folding chart provided on the exit tray of the 714 XLT. Here you will find common folds that the 714 can handle, and it breaks it down by paper size and type of fold. So in this application, a letter fold of 8.5 by 11, it tells me that the first fold pan needs to be set at the number E. So then I adjust these, push in, and I lower it down to the E marking on the pan. Knowing that sometimes to get a true fold, you have to go back in and micro adjust. So I have that set at E. Then I go back to my folding chart and I reference where to put plate 2. And for the 8.5 by 11, it says also in the E location. The fold pan, the second fold pan is found back here and adjusts in a similar way. I push in and I lift up to the letter E. Now that I have both fold plates in position, I make sure that my gap set is set for the stock of paper I'm using. I turn on the rollers, and then I feed the paper. And that is how you set up a letter fold.